Hello everyone, thank you for coming to my page and watching my stuff. I got a bunch of things coming up, but right now we're going to unbox my new laser cutter. Yeah. With a lot of help from Kate and everybody else, I'm getting this bad boy and going to set him up. I ordered it about a week ago and here it is. So we're going to do a quick unboxing on this, and I got to build the stand, so make a couple videos to show you guys what I'm doing. So yeah, this is going to be fun. Another shout out, thanks to Charlie for picking it up for me, and Daniel for helping him, and Radar for, emotional support. But yeah, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing and show you that, and I got to make a stand, and then we got to set it up and everything else. So yeah, should be fun. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Kate, thank you for the new toy, and away we go. Thanks, guys. Nice. Okay. Let's show you what's in this bad boy. So it's gonna be a little hard to see with this light, but it comes all packed up. Arms are tied down, and a bucket of parts and pieces. So we gotta get this bad boy apart, and yeah, pretty sweet. And what we have here is a Omtech 80 watt CO2 laser. And yeah, this is going to be fun. This is going to be really fun. You guys can think of anything I can do with it. Stuff you want, projects, what would be cool, what you want to see. Let me know. Let me know in the comments, because I have some ideas, but yeah, this is going to be fun, guys. Alright. Next step's going to be building a stand for it. I got to figure out that and get some setup done, and I got to set it up, I got to adjust it, I got to align the mirrors. There's a whole bunch of things to do here, but yeah, for right now, that's it. Awesome. I'm so excited. Thanks again, Katie. And we'll see you guys soon. Right, Radar? Yep. Okay, so I untied my bar, moved my laser out of the way. This is a little tote with everything in it from them. And you can see the honeycomb screen. I gotta unwrap that as well. But first things first, let's see what's in here. Oh. Really? Wow, Omtech, I thought you would give me a lid for that. And we got some venting for the side vent. We got hose, that's for the water cooler, excuse me. Just a simple little hose and a clamp for the thing, and a grounding wire. No big deal. This, I assume, will be my water pump. Yep, water pump for the cooling system, which is a Life Tech. Yeah, it's literally a aquarium pump, people. And a big bag of goodies and cables, and this is actually tape for checking your lasers. So whatever else anybody says, got me a HDMI, or not an HDMI, USB cable, a power cable, I'm sorry, an Ethernet cable, set of wrenches, your marking tape, a nice power cord, and an owner's manual, all in a nice little box. So, yeah, freaking awesome. Oh, I'm so psyched. Let me get some more stuff out of here. I'll get the honeycomb base out of here. Now we can actually use my supplied set of keys they give you, and this guy locks it. This opens our pass-throughs, which I can show you here in 1 second. So this machine's got a nice feature, which is it's got this pass-through tray that I can, you can roll the material through it, but it is also super handy for getting out my cutter. We can try and do this. I'll show you how that goes. So I can show you the pass-through and how it sits. Get some of this tape off of here. Okey-dokey. So you've got actually multiple pass-throughs. You can go through the bottom there, or this one opens as well. So you can get stuff straight into the work deck. But, yeah. That's it. That's the monster. I'm going to build a little stand for this, and yeah, this is going to be fun. It's going to be loads of fun. So, alright, I think I'm gonna sign this off for now, make it a quick one. I'm gonna do another one of building the stand, and you can watch that process and watch this big bad baby come together. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And rock on.